active listening is something that must be the part of every human's life, because while applying this skill, yeah, it's a skill. If you are applying and maintaining this skill in your life, in your mind, so definitely you will become a better person or next level of person. So there are so many things that we will discover in this video about what is the importance of active listening, right? So it improves your overall growth. First of all, when you consider other person, the person who is speaking in front of you, and you are not only hearing them, but you are actually listening to them. So it really helps to improve your relationships with them, because they will feel respected. They will think like the person to whom I am speaking is giving me respect and is understanding my opinions, my experiences, whatever I am saying. So this is the most important point that you can remember in your mind, that active listening will make your relationships boosted. Next point is, you will become more knowledgeable, more confident, and more informative. Because while active listening, you will be at that mode where everything is going into your brain. You will be grasping everything. So this is most important thing if you are becoming an active listener, and you must become that. Next point is, it improves your communication skill. Yes, communication skill is something where two persons might be making a conversation between them, and if one person is only speaking and other person has to hear all the things that one person is speaking, that means that is not a communication skill. That is not a effective communication skill, we can say. So in a most effective communication skill, if you want to build, you will have to make a habit of listening, that too active listening. Make sure you are ready to accept other person's experiences, their views, whatever they are saying. There must be some background in their mind. They must have come across some situation, and after that they are saying their views. So you must be very eager to understand other person's view. This is how your communication skill improves. Moving forward to next point, it builds trust in the minds of others for you. How? Because you will become a person who listens to others' opinions, others' views, others' problems. So, if they will face any problem in their life, they will definitely come to you, they will share their experiences, their problems with you, and this is how you will become a trustable person and people will start trusting on you. Suppose in future you launch any program, so in that moment it will work a lot because you are an active listener. People trust you, they can trust you in any part of your life. So overall active listening improves your overall life. So definitely it gives you a complete growth in all aspects of your life. Thank you so much.